Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You want to begin immediately. Plug a MagSafe certified charger into a stable 20W plus USB-C adapter and power outlet. Make sure any metal or magnetic accessories are off the phone. Remove thick or magnetic cases. Once done, unlock your iPhone and lay it on the charger with the center of the back aligned to the charger magnet. You should feel a satisfying snap or alignment nudge. Watch the screen briefly You need to confirm that charging is actually happening. Check the lock screen or control center for the lightning bolt and a percent increase within a minute. If the animation or snap didn't happen, lift and reseat the phone. Small shifts matter because MagSafe uses precise alignment. Make sure the charger and phone sit on a flat surface so heat can dissipate. If the phone gets warm, that's normal. Still, move it to a cooler spot if it feels hot to the touch. You're almost done. When you reach your desired battery level, lift the iPhone straight up to remove it. Don't slide it off to avoid misaligning mid-transfer. Make sure optimized battery charging is set if you want the system to delay full charging for battery longevity. If charging stops or is slow, reboot the phone and check for iOS updates, then try a different MagSafe charger and adapter to rule out hardware. One key troubleshooting tip. If nothing happens, test with another power outlet and another MagSafe puck to isolate the faulty component.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.